Voted Product of the Year, it's... Hold your drink and the snacks you love all in one hand. Perfect in the car or chilling on the couch. Well, anywhere. Sealed tight for less mess. Absolutely everyone loves. Kids mess in the car. Clean and easy. Perfectly sealed so no more mess. Perfect after a workout, at the game, after practice, even on the road. Holds a full 16 ounces and a whole bag of chips. Make it healthy with fruit and a protein shake. How about nuggets and fries and your drink all in one hand?
I love it.
Party in a cup.
You can get your for $9.99 online or at any of